Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and a movie recommendation that I like to watch occasionally is Help, the Beatles. It's pretty funny, it's got some good music, and it's also got Leo McKern. So this one I've had for quite a few years. It's a genuine Zippo, and it is the yellow Submarine Zippo. This is not the original box, but this is the lighter. These are plaques. Plaque on the top, plaque on the bottom. Street chrome. And on the bottom it says Bradford, PA, made in USA, and it was made in C, March of XVI. It says 2000 above the XVI, and according to the certified code card, XVI, let's see, XVI, XVI through L is 2000, so that matches. And another thing about this lighter, it's got a matching insert. You can see right there, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, there it is, the XVI etching on there. So it is a matching insert for the yellow Submarine Zippo lighter. Lights up good. Doesn't have a really snappy opening because of the plaques on there. Still, it's a pretty nice lighter. Now, how much does a Zippo collectible like this weigh? Let's take a look. So a Zippo like this weighs 2.6 ounces. And I do have a couple other Zippos. I actually have quite a few Beatles. This is the Apple Beatles, and this is an important one. It's the yellow Submarine Zippo. This is the more rare than the one I'm showing, but that's a nice little Zippo for Zippo Saturday. Let's do a drop test. I don't really like doing a drop test on a lighter that has a plaque on it, but I'm not gonna pass by a good drop test. So the Beatles yellow Submarine Zippo lighter passes the drop test, and that calls for a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.